How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining me in today's Bitcoin trading video. Yesterday, XRP just about finished up its lawsuit with a win against the SEC. There's a little bit more details on that, but what happened was an insane pump across the crypto market. Check it out. XRP just jumped like crazy. Coins like Solana did the same. Many coins were in the same boat with huge moves up in general. Bitcoin saw a little bit of a pump too and actually reached a new high for 2023 in this bear market. Very exciting to see, but today we're going to be going over why things are looking a little bit bearish in the short term for Bitcoin. Strap in, we're going to be going pretty quick today. Before I show you the charts, I want to let you know we actually won 6 trades today. We are now 46 wins, 0 losses with 4 trades pending with our scalping trades. This puts us at a combined profit of 184%, beating out the S&P 500's 10% yearly average by 1,840%. And this is only with trading for about 142 days. We're absolutely crushing it in this market. If you want to get access to these trades, links to that are in the description with our membership. More on that later, but for now, let's dive into the charts. Thanks again for joining me today. We're going to head down to the Bitcoin metrics, and the first one we're checking out is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. We are still in neutral territory despite this pump. We've actually stayed in neutral for quite some time while we've been consolidating at this level. This is interesting to me because we're already seeing moves down in price, and this is likely to drag the emotional index down too, but I'm betting as long as we're going to stay within this channel, we're going to continue staying within the neutral readings. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin Volatility Breakout Detector. We have actually decreased in volatility as of today as the price barely recovers to the downside. We did see a spike in volatility yesterday, but we are still in fairly low volatility territory. As soon as we see Bitcoin drop below low volatility, that's where we're looking for the next absolutely crazy move in Bitcoin. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. There is major short trade sentiment for the whales, surpassing the -600 to -800 range that we're typically looking for moves back down in Bitcoin. This means that whales are more likely to sell out or short trade the market, and with that should bring the price down pretty quickly. Next up is the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. As of today, we do have structural resistance at $31,443. We did test that and drop from there, but we did form a new high right here, and I'll show you exactly where that line is on the live charts. From here, we do have structure support at 28,473. This is just the lowest point that we've seen, but I think we may actually stay within another support level that I'll show you again on the live charts. Next up is the Bitcoin long versus short trades. Long trades are still vastly over short trades, so there's no surprise there. Bitcoin is bullish in the long term as we continuously get higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. Last but not least is the Bitcoin trade signals chart. I wouldn't be shocked to see a sell signal right about this level as we did right here. If we do, this will likely show the next move down in Bitcoin, again to structure support right about here. With that, we're seeing some very bearish metrics, and as this next move plays out, you're going to be wanting to watch the Bitcoin metrics very closely. As the price moves down, it'll help you predict the next bottom in anticipation of the move up, so you could get a pretty good entry. Now, on top of metrics across all 20 coins, not just Bitcoin, you can get access to our trade setups where we are 46 wins, 0 losses in our scalping trades. You can get access to our future forecast, brand new one out today. This is a big day. Bitcoin has one major bearish sign, and I'm not actually going to go over this bearish sign in this video. This is members only content, but it's very important that you see, with one major bullish sign that I bet 99% are not aware of. You're going to want to check out this video so you can adjust your trades accordingly. And if you want to get access to all that and more, you're going to want to grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the first link. Go ahead and click that. You're going to want to sign up for the full access for $59 a month to get access to all those features and more. Click subscribe now, follow the prompts. We hope to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. Based on what I'm seeing right here, I am expecting a small move down, especially with the metrics. There is a lot of bearish sentiment, but I do not expect it to last long, and there's a big reason for this. Price versus while money flow is showing well money moving out of the market. This is, of course, bearish. Where well money goes, the price is likely to go too. Trend exhaustion is also still in its top red section. Both of these are very bearish, especially if we get a sell signal, we're very likely going to see it moves down. However, Bitcoin is at a point of consolidation. There's something very important that we're going to want to pay attention to. From the bottom of this buy signal to the top right here, we have a flag pull followed by right here from the top of this candle to the top of this one. boom. And from here, we have another structure support. Both of these are going to be parallel lines. And what this forms right here is a bull flag. We have our flag within this consolidation right here with our flagpole here. Most often this will break to the upside. However, we still have major bearish signs. So what I'm looking for right now is just a move back down to the structure support. If we drag this out a little bit further, we can see where that could land. Somewhere along this previous structure support right about here at $30,000, where we intersect with this yellow line. I think this is where we could be dropping to about $30,000 is my prediction for right now. And I think this could take about a week to play out before we head back up. As we test this structure support, I expect to see price versus money flow low, trend exhaustion low. And when we see both of those, especially if we see a buy signal at this level, that's where we're likely going to see the next move up. In order to break from this bull flag, what we need to be seeing is price retesting structure resistance with price versus money flow low and trend exhaustion low, both very bullish signs. And at that point, that's when I think we're really going to break out from this flag. So for today, I think we're going to drop over the next week to around the $30,000 range before we bounce back up to retest structure resistance. And once we retest that structure resistance, I'll put out a video showing where I think we could be heading next in Bitcoin. For now, though, from the current price, I am expecting just a little bit of a drop here, about 4%. As this plays out, it's going to be crucial that you pay attention to these indicators. The TC top and bottom finder price versus money flow and trend exhaustion indicators are what have helped us earn 46 wins, 0 losses in this market, and our members are absolutely crushing it with them too. You can get access to all of these for up to $400 off right now. All you have to do is check the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page on our website. If you want proof of how well these indicators work, this person is up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. This person earned 16% with us, $950 in one day, $4,300 in just a week, and the list goes on. So many great testimonies that we're seeing. If you want the best possible deal, you're going to want to grab the bundle pack first. Let me show you why. Go ahead and click I want this. Fill out your information here. Click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Click add to cart. You'll get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $400 off again. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay, and you are good to go. Once your indicators are loaded up, again, we're just watching as price versus money flow drops. Where money goes, the price is likely to go too, so this should drag the price down to about this level, bringing the trend exhaustion down as well. When we see both of these low, and ideally with a buy signal, this should signal the next move up to retest structure resistance on this bull flag pattern where we could break out to the upside. Pay attention for more Bitcoin videos as that happens. We will predict the next move up. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.